Welcome to the Ameristar Hotel and Casino in Kansas City. When you enter through the front door, the bathroom is immediately to your left. Here you have a look at the bathroom. There's a large mirror, vanity sink. Here's a look at your toiletries. There is a shaving/makeup mirror. There are tissues, additional towels, toilet paper, hairdryer, trash can. There is a full-length mirror on the back of the door. Inside this door here, there's your toilet and your shower area. Of course, on the back of the door when you walk in, there's your evacuation plan and just some other details about the hotel. There is a sign on the door for Do Not Disturb. There is a closet after you pass the bathroom. Your typical hotel closet, it has hangers, has an iron, and an ironing board. As we come around to the main area of the room, this room is 2 queen beds. There is a nightstand in between the 2 beds. They also have reading lights above the beds. There are 2 drawers. There's an electrical outlet and a USB port on the lamp. There's an area there, obviously, for your belongings. It could also be a sitting area. Under the apps tab on the TV, you can access Netflix, YouTube, and other apps, other streaming apps. There's the remote control. There is a refrigerator underneath the TV. Down below, as you can see, there is a safe underneath the TV. It is a good size safe. You could definitely store quite a few items in there. It is big enough to hold multiple laptops. There are also 4 drawers over on this side of the dresser. Over here you have your coffee set up, complimentary water, ice bucket, telephone, garbage can below. There is a lamp. It does have a USB port. There's a sitting chair there in the corner. There's also one there at the desk for if you're doing work or eating. This is just a standard view room. As you can see. Again, another view of the room. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.